Hey guys, it's George from Currys, and today we're going to be looking at the three top features of the Bosch Slimline Wi-Fi enabled dishwasher. It has smart connectivity, auto program and extra dry. Now I'm going to get myself over to the lab so you can see this product in more detail. Okay, here we are in the lab. We've got the Bosch Slimline dishwasher here. So let's start by talking about smart connectivity. Now, no matter where you are, whether you're upstairs working or you've popped out of the house, you're going to be able to stay in control and keep an eye on your cycles thanks to the Home Connect app, which you can connect to via your smartphone. Now, it's also going to send you notifications like if there's a problem with the dishwasher that you need to be aware of, or when the cycle has finished. So it's going to eliminate any unnecessary trips. Now, the Home Connect app is so easy to set up. I've done it on this phone. I'm going to select a cycle. So I'm going to choose the express cycle. You also get to choose different options like extra dry, and then you get to choose a start time. So you can choose it for in 24 hours if you want it tomorrow. I'm going to choose to start it right now. And there we go. It's all started from my phone, and that's smart connectivity. So with this dishwasher, you're going to save on time, water and energy thanks to the auto program function, which automatically regulates the water temperature and rinse time to best suit the cycle. And that's dependent on the load volume and how dirty your dishes are. So what you can expect is that every item is going to come out squeaky clean, but it's only going to use the necessary amount of water and energy. So the final feature is extra dry. Now the way this works is that it uses extra high temperatures during the rinse cycle to make sure every item in the dishwasher is fully dry. So those days of finishing the drying yourself are long gone. If you want to find out more info on this Bosch dishwasher, why not visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.